How to apply. 1. Interested candidates can apply online at www.meghealth.gov.in. 2. Age limit. Candidate must be 17 years and above up to 35 years of age. 3. Qualification. Candidate who appeared the Class 12 Science Board exam and awaits their result, or those who have passed the Class 12 Science Board exam can apply. 4. Please note, only candidates who cleared the State Common Entrance Examination (CEE) can apply for BSc Nursing Course either in state government quota or in private nursing institutes in the state. 5. Hurry. Last date for applying is 30th April 2025. 6. For more details, please see the advertisement uploaded in the website www.meghealth.gov.in.